Marketing today is not some friendly competition, it's war. You've got 3 seconds or even less before your customer scrolls past your ad forever. 3 seconds. Meanwhile, 1,000 other brands are fighting for the same attention, the same time, and the same wallet. One mistake, one poorly targeted campaign, and millions of dollars gone. For decades, we have fought this war like ancient warriors. Then AI showed up and changed everything. Today, 80% of marketers are already crushing it with AI. And now it's your turn. This video will show you 5 hacks that will make you look like a marketing genius. And yes, you can set them up in ClickUp, your converged AI workspace, before your coffee gets cold. Let's start. First things first, imagine you're playing a game of tag and you don't even know who you're supposed to tag. That's what it's like in marketing if you don't know who you are targeting. You waste a lot of money for basically nothing. But with AI, there is no more guessing. AI studies consumer behavior, spots patterns, and tells you exactly who's worth your budget. With ClickUp Brain, for example, you can analyze audience sentiment and create separate campaigns for people who show a positive versus a negative sentiment towards your brand. You can also automate your campaign with ClickUp automations. Set smart triggers that route the right email to the right segment at the right time and never miss a follow-up. And you can use ClickUp's campaign and promotion management template so your marketing campaigns always hit the target. Now that you know who to target, here's the real game changer. Not every lead deserves the same attention. The smartest marketers focus on the ones most likely to convert. That's where AI shines. It doesn't just find people, it analyzes data, scores leads, and helps you zero in on the prospects that really matter. And in order to put these insights into action, you can use ClickUp's Smart Task Prioritization. Add automations to it, and follow-ups and workflows will keep running even when you sleep. A pro tip, you can build automations using ClickUp AI in natural language. No coding needed. Before we move to our next hack, let me ask you a question. When was the last time you opened an email that started with "Dear Customer"? You probably deleted it right away. Now imagine another email that says, "Hey Sarah, here's 20% off the sneakers you've been eyeing." It's way harder to ignore, right? That's the power of personalization, and AI makes it possible at scale, helping you craft messages that feel one-on-one, not one-to-many. With ClickUp's AI-powered writing, you can draft personalized emails, offers, ads, and posts in seconds. You can also use the ClickUp campaign calendar template to make sure that your messages land at the right time. Because being personal and on time is way cooler than just making noise. So you've got the right leads and you're speaking their language. But here's the classic marketer's nightmare. You spend weeks writing the perfect blog, and then it gets buried on page 7 of Google. Nobody's finding it. That's where AI saves the day. It spots the right keywords, surfaces trends, and helps optimize your blogs, ads, and videos to show up where people are actually searching. And to keep it all running smoothly, ClickUp's blog editorial calendar template helps you plan and schedule your content so it actually lines up with your SEO strategy. Finally, after putting in all that work, you want to know if it's actually working, right? The problem is, raw numbers can feel like static, hard to make sense of. AI helps cut through that noise, processing huge amounts of data to reveal clear, actionable insights, like ClickUp dashboards, which give you a live view of your campaigns so you can see what's working right now. And ClickUp's AI cards that step in with digestible insights to guide your next move. When you wrap it up with the marketing report template in ClickUp, all those numbers turn into clear takeaways you can actually act on. So those were 5 hacks to show how AI can make your marketing smarter, faster, and a whole lot more effective. And the best part, everything we covered can be set up right inside ClickUp. With the right templates and workflows, you can put all your genius marketing ideas into practice without adding complexity. Want to see how it works for your team? Sign up for free at clickup.com.